Hello, greetings from Boonery TV. In today's topic of health and fitness, we will see how to stop hair fall. What are some natural remedies to control hair fall? What should be included in our diet to reduce hair fall? Take a look. The hair on your head goes through a life cycle that involves growth, resting, and shedding. This process of growth, resting, and shedding goes on and on. It's common for people to lose hair every day. Nothing to worry about it. It's natural to lose around 100 hairs a day. This is a natural process. If you experience more sudden loss in patches, and if it isn't stopping, then you may need to do something about it. Some people have hair fall problems that are temporary. For example, after pregnancy, a woman may experience hair fall, but later it stops with good diet. But for some people, hair fall is permanent. It just doesn't stop. If you experience such problems, then there are many things you can do to slow or stop hair loss, but you can't just follow or do any random procedure to solve the problem. What to do depends on first finding out the reason why you're losing your hair. It can be because of aging, stress, dandruff, or other causes. Once you get to know your underlying cause, you can treat the problem. What are some of the ways? Watch ahead. How can you take care of your hair? Here are some steps that I'll share with you. You can take care of your hair by regularly washing it. In fact, you can do it daily, but the key is to use a mild shampoo, one that is not infused with harsh chemicals. This will help your scalp feel fresh. If you use a harsh shampoo, it can cause dryness and can break the hair, leading to hair fall problems. Another point is that before heading for a shower, massaging oil on the head and letting it sit for 30 minutes before washing can also help. It helps to promote regrowth of hair, and massaging like this also stimulates better blood flow, leaving a fresh feeling behind after washing it off. You can use an oil that suits your scalp. It can be coconut, olive, or even almond oil that can be used to massage. You can even go ahead with a combination of such oils too. The third point is that there are some natural plant derivatives like onion. The juice of onions can be applied to the scalp that can help, or you can use hibiscus flowers, or you can also use the pulp from the aloe vera plant. These can be used with oils to massage on your head. These can promote hair strength and growth. Apart from these ideas, you need to know that after washing your hair, you should let your hair air dry. Blow dryers, heat stylers like curling or straightening irons may also damage or break the hair shaft due to heat in it. If you like and you're doing any hair treatments like hair coloring, switch to natural organic products than those that contain harsh chemicals. These are some hair care ideas. What more? Watch ahead. In a 2018 study, it was revealed that a diet containing raw vegetables and green leafy herbs can reduce hair fall problems. It is best to have veggies every day or at least more than 3 times a week. That is good for our hair. Second, our hair follicles are made up of a protein. Hence, include protein-rich food in your diet such as eggs, fish, chicken, nuts like almonds, peanuts, etc. These will provide our body with the needed protein intake. To increase the rate of hair growth, vitamin A helps. You can get vitamin A from sweet potatoes, milk, yogurt, etc. These will give our body sufficient amount of vitamin A. Some doctors even suggest a multivitamin supplement so that your body gets its daily intake needed from it. Apart from all these points that you will follow for your hair care routine, remember, you need to be stress-free. If you follow all the above mentioned points but are living in anxiety and worry, then nothing can help. Keep your mind positive and happy by giving your body enough rest and always sleep on time. Follow a regular sleeping pattern. Most importantly, keep in mind that any treatment you use may not show immediate results. It can take anywhere between a year to maybe 6 months.